Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get this nice red mouse cursor on Windows. For that we go to the search bar and search with mouse. So right here I have some settings in Dutch, some in English. It's very strange. But right here, if you see this option, it says the size and the mouse cursor change. So if you see this logo just right here with the mouse and the hand, please click on that. From here, normally you have this mouse just right here. You can change the size from here if you like that. So this is really big. I don't like that. Around 2, 3 is fine. So for me 2, 3 is fine. And right now, if you want to change the color, go to the fourth option. And there you have a lot of custom colors. If you want to make your own color, then you can do it just right here. So now I like red, then do done. And now my cursor is red. Alright, this is how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And if you have questions, please comment them below. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.